Go in your account. New account, new day. New account, new day. Boom. Peace is here. How's it going? Peace is here. Also, how's it going, Peace? How's the market been for you? Let's see. Oh, okay, this is market. Yeah. What instruments have you been trading today? Let's see. Your mic is really bugging. Oh, oh, hold on. As a mic now, it should be better. I think what happened was I have a Bluetooth headset and sometimes it connects to my laptop. And when it does that, it messes with the audio. It puts out the audio from the Bluetooth headset instead of the actual mic. And I had a headset about 6.5 feet, not 6'6" away from me, about 2 meters away. So that will explain it. Oh my word. Oh, hey, come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. First win out on the account. So that trade was based off the price coming down to his value area low here, starting to turn around, took the long, targeted 1.5. And that was his thinking right there. 1.5 R. So that first trade has actually got us to our daily goal. But what we're going to do, end the live stream after 4 minutes? I don't think so. So we're coming back up to value area high. Oh my word. God. Oh my God. Oh God. Look at this. Oh no. No, no, no. Look at this. Oh my word. Upside break. New higher day on gold. Seems like he wants to take back all of this sell-off from yesterday. Seems like it's going all the way back up there. Will we see 87.6 today? Will we see 87.6 today? Seems like it wants to go up there. There isn't actually. No, there isn't really a long here for me. No. No, there isn't actually a long. It's exciting, but there wasn't a setup there. Oh, actually, let's have a look at this. Do we have a short here? Let's see. No, wrong way. Let's go there. So we have value area high. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. No, that's got a long way to go. Seems like a bit of a divergence between the two. Oh, hold on. Let's see. So we have value area high. We've traded through it though. If we'd have took this trade, we would have lost. Okay. You're liking the strategy, I assume. There you go. Yeah. I have, after the stream last night, as you do, you go look at charts. You try to figure a few things out. Is this going to be another loser here? The problem is we've got gold looking like it wants to go all the way up to that 87. I'm not sure if I can trust this silver. Oh, is it going to take the range? Is it going to take the range? I could go short and end up being use it as a support now, couldn't it? Well, did you back test it more afterwards? You know what it was? I started looking at these high Kanashis and looking at using them with the, because using them with the value areas. I'm going to take a short here. I started looking at them with, oh my word, that is just 174. Come on. Come on, that's ridiculous. Problematic. Very problematic. Let's see. Let's figure this one out. I think this is going to be very costly. I think this is going to be very costly. 174 times 1.5, 261. 261. Let's see. We took the risk, so we just have to accept it. Let's see. I'm going to go back to your comment. It's so problematic. 174. Maybe I should cut my size in half. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'll cut my size in half. Yeah, we'll cut the size in half. Hold on. Let's do that. Oh. Let's do 60. Confirm. Come on. Yeah, so we cut our size in half, reducing our risk on the table. Well, did you backtest more afterwards? Yep, aside looking at these, using value areas and use high Kanashi to just smooth out price a bit more. And from what I saw briefly, not briefly, I did check over a couple of days, over like a month, different market conditions. I think there might be something to it. But time will tell. Time will certainly tell. Golly. If this goes out to target, I'm going to end up thinking, oh, I should have just kept all that size, but there's a lot of risk, 174. It's a lot of risk. Whatever the case is, 130. Pick up. What do we just do on that exit? Let's see. 3. That's okay. Break even. So this, there is a possibility right here at the 77,830s. We do have a bit of a, you can see the volume right there. So we are trying to navigate this volume. That proved itself over here as well. So there is a possibility, but we'll keep the trade. East, what did you look at today, mate, in terms of crypto land? Look at that. It's come down to that level and it's finding buyers right through this area. Right areas for weeks. Mate, I'm stubborn. Mate, I'm stubborn, mate. We'll see how today works out. I was even looking at, most of my testing was actually done on XRP. Oh, let's have a look at this. Oh, here we go. Right there. Trade's already gone. Yeah, the trade's gone. Trade's gone. The trade is gone. Look at that. I would have been stopped out here. But this trade would have worked out. Ethereum. Let's see. No, not quite. I think these are just moving together, aren't they? Came down to point of control. Would have lost. No, wouldn't have lost actually. Would have won on this trade. Did another test on my experiment so far. It's 13 of 13, which allowed me to take a small winner. I am short Ethereum, but it came 80% to my target and came back, almost hitting my stop. 13 of 13. Goodness me. Did another test on my experiment. So far, 13, which allowed me to take a small winner in short on Ethereum, but it came back to my target. It came back, almost hitting my stop. Hold on, I assume this was before all of this action right here, because this market's just been going up all day. Silver. Let's go look at it. I don't trust it. Ooh, oh my word. Ha! Look at silver. Oh my word. Should have kept the 120 contracts now. Golly. I would have picked up what, 260 instead of 130,500. Here we go. Another winner in the bank. Heath, why didn't you say to me about this, mate? You've been keeping all this trading a secret, haven't you? So we're up 247. Oh my word. Imagine if trading was this easy. Imagine. No price came up like 10 minutes ago to my entry and tagged it perfectly. Came 80% of my target and came all the way back up. I was just for break even. Golly. Look at this thing. What an absolute beaut. Jeez Louise. Let's look. Lol, I've been telling you. Like you hate winning. You know, there are times where I think that. There are certainly times. Oh, hold on. Oh my word. Oh, this has just been ranging. Yeah, it's got stuffed around the value area high. But there isn't a short here. The short was over here, but I didn't take that. So let's see. No, there is such a choppy market, man. No, this isn't great looking. No. Oh, hold on. This might be interesting. Let's have a look at this. Yeah, this looks interesting. Let's draw this on. Let's so I need it to come down to this level or this level. Let's go have a look at Bitcoin. Let's see what no, it's choppy. Don't like that. No, it's choppy. It's choppy now. I think the only one was this one right here. Or this one. That might have been a loser actually. Yeah, that would have been a loser. Price continued higher. That would have been a loser. Loser. And I might not have taken this one because it's gone so far below the value area low. It's almost retraced the entire move up. Why are you not using footprint charts with these areas? Because I am using the Heikin-Nashi candle, so let's see if I switch to footprints. Golly. I have to be really zoomed in. Oh no. No, let's choose something else, not Bitcoin. Let's go look at silver. What did we take? The short trade. So above value area high. See, the volume's too light. I can't interpret it. Oh, and there's been no setups over here. Let's see what's going on here. I wonder if the profiles are going to be the same. Let's see. So there's volume there. There's volume there. It should be the same. Yeah, it's the same. No difference if it's Heikin-Nashi. I can't remember the instrument. I just drew those Litecoin. I'm looking at your instrument, ETH. Look at that, all the volumes just there. I can't imagine it's going to rotate all the way down there. So this is a long, so I'll be looking at those areas. Why not use your footprint charts with these areas? Oh, with the value areas. Let's go have a look. So we went short up here. Now let's have a look at the footprint. Let's see. What is this? Oh, bullish delta and a negative candle. Suppose I could have got a better entry. Rather than 78.90. 78.155. Did we see dramatic volume on the breakdown? Not really. There's a huge delta on the breakdown. Hold on, let's see. Oh, battery's almost dead. You could probably do a 30-minute profile. 30-minute profile. Or the periodic profile. Let's see. Technicals, profiles. Fix periodic profile. 60 periods. Change it to 30. Look at that. See, this area right here aligns with this area from back here and this area from back here. So this area down here around the 29 seems to be some area of interest, because we can clearly see all through here we've had we've had some interest. Just going to take a call. So I'm back, and I guess we gotta wait for our friends over here. Darn it. That would have been aggressive short, wouldn't it? That's pretty aggressive. That's an aggressive shot. You know what? Let's take it. That's an aggressive short. Let's see. Should be targeting 60. 61. Lol, my broker said... Oh, hold on. I'm too close to my mic. Lol, my broker says my 7-day P&L is just over 40+%. Golly. If I was your broker, I'd copy all your trades. I'll just set up a bot, and whenever you go long, what I'll do is I'll make there be a slight delay in your execution, just front run your trade. Look at this. Ugh. Come on, don't get stuff at value area low here. This is a really aggressive short right here. This is really aggressive. It's really aggressive, but we'll see. If is saying lol. Mate, I'll be shopping your trades to hedge funds and all sorts, mate. Are we going to all the Wall Street hedge funds? What's the performance of your best analyst? Oh, we've got Jason here. He's done 25% in the last year. And I'll just be like, ha! I've got somebody that's just fooling around making 40%. And for a small management fee, I'm willing to give you his trades. Ah, this thing's getting stuck around value area low. Darn it, darn it, darn it. Well, we've taken the trade, so we're going to have to accept it. It's certainly an area where we could find support. Let's see, lol, then new trading floor shows up. Imagine they just try to build a whole trading floor off your P&L. And like you go on holiday and you broke, is this like calling you? Heath, is everything okay? Just doing a welfare check, friend. Whenever you're ill, whenever you're next in, please call me. Yeah, you'll be like, this my broker's behaving a bit weird. Hear a knock at your door. Just checking up on you, just making sure you're okay. Like they built the whole existence on your P&L and trading. Guy takes out a new mortgage on a Florida mansion, thinking you'll be trading with them forever. I suppose that'll be a great thing, actually. The moment you get the leverage, I suppose that's the time you go and say, I'm not a fan of these commissions. What can you do for me? I may need to shop around. Well, you don't see any trades from me, so you send like a gift basket to the house. Yeah. No, they'll just turn up. I don't know if you've seen the film, the Terminator. It just turns up randomly at your house. Like, hi. I'm looking for Mr. Ethan. Yeah, this is probably going to be a loser here. It's getting stuck around the value area though. It is what it is. It is what it is. Let's go have a look at the what do you call these now? Footprints. See, there's very little action down here, but I didn't use footprints to get in, so you have to dance with the person you came with. See, you got a value area low, and it keeps just getting bought up off the value area low. See, just keeps getting bought up. Hi, Mr. Eaton. I've noticed you haven't taken any trades. We're still friends, right? Mate, if your broker says we're still friends, and this is right, that sounds like a threat more than anything. We're still friends, right? That statement alone just sounds threatening and menacing. As if, like, you'll be my friend or else. Ah, this should have resolved. This should have resolved, but maybe we can get these value area low buyers out the way. See, we keep getting bought from there. Still keep getting bought from there. Are we going to get short-term bullish and be stopped out? See, still getting bought back from that value area low. The broker starts, see, that value area low. Yeah, we can go retest and break the highs. Go look for more sellers. Yeah, this isn't working. The value area low has held. Value area low has held. Looks like it's going to be a stop out, so I'm going to lose 40 here. Let's go have a look. What's this? Silver. Let's see. Nothing set up yet. NQ. Still horrible. What is that? Current day's range 350. 350 high to low range on NQ. Let's see. XRP. Hasn't set up yet. Still waiting on XRP. Litecoin. I don't like this. I don't like the fact that the point of control is at the highs. Don't like that. Not a fan of that. What else? Ethereum. That doesn't look like it's going to set up. So let's go watch our gold get stop out. Let's go watch this stop out on gold. The broker starts patting my head and whispers in my ear. How about you place a few trades today, buddy? You respond, I don't wanna. Wait, I might buy you a shiny new computer. Are you sure? I could only imagine what I'd do, man. If I had like a trade that I could do 40%. What would you do with that sort of thing? You may just have to gift them like a Lambo or something. So, oh, this thing is gonna, this thing. It's just holding around a value area low. And I can imagine I'm gonna look back at this and think, oh, look, there were signs. Why didn't you take it off for break even? Blah, blah, blah. But I'll tell you what, if I take it off and it goes down there, I'm going to be so annoyed. I'd much rather get stopped at and not follow the plan and be pissed off that it doesn't work. Let's see. No, drop a sweat rolls down my cheek. I'm like, oh, but we do that. Yeah. I could imagine. Oh, look at that. And that's the reason why you don't take your trades off. Hold on. I couldn't have predicted that drop, but yeah, that's why you don't take your trades off and you follow the plan. So we are up 331 today. We can certainly say that strategy is working okay. Look at that. It's fell all the way down to the level, down to 29. We're up at 33 at the moment. Golly. The only problem is going to be is where the setup candle is going to form. I don't want it to form too high. I'd like it to be forming in this area. But the problem is with that quick... Oh, look at that. It literally tickled the other side of the zone from the periodic volume profile. So we had these high volume points right here. We drew this zone out. And look at that. Came down to the bottom of the zone, down to 27. Traded all the way up to 33. Just off the zone. So, let's see. I think we're looking at... Was it Ethereum? Let's take this off. Hold on. Ethereum. We haven't set that up yet. XRP. XRP is not doing what we needed to do. Litecoin. We didn't like it because of the volume being at the top. So it would be XRP. XRP. What we're doing here. So you've got volume right there. Volume. Value area low. And volume right there. I'd like to see it turn a bit, but I'm not sure. Ethereum. Oh, Ethereum might be okay. Let's see. Slow Ethereum. Let's go back to... that's horrible looking, man. This is really horrible. Look at that. That just looks really choppy. Ah, see, this is a problem, man. 35. Ugh. Cannot. Ugh. No. I can't buy 35 and put a stop down there. Let's go. Let's see. Let's see what size risk would I be taking. Let's see. 103. Oh, that might be doable actually. But I don't want to do that because the problem is it's so far away. 74. You know what? Let's go there. Let's see. Let's put it right there. 74. Up to that value area high. Could be a dead cat bounce. Take it off. Don't even take the trade. I don't like the price action into this area. You missed your entry. Just move on and wait till the next one. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to leave it alone. Like the... Yeah, I'm just going to have to just leave it alone because it came all the way down there. It's rallied up to 36, so I'm just going to have to accept that. Super. It's a little bit annoying though. You have the idea set out. You wait for it, you wait for it, you wait for it. And then you have seconds to make a decision. You have literally seconds. Litecoin. See, that's why I don't trust that thing there. Let's see. Ethereum. What we doing? Where's my drawings? Oh, come on. Come on. Where are my drawings? Oh, it must be this Ethereum. Hold on. This is Bitstamp. What's the volume on Bitstamp? 11.1K. But I've got 152K on Coinbase. I should be using Coinbase. He has more volume. Hold on. Is that the wrong? I think that might be wrong. This might be wrong. I should be using... Yep, that is wrong. That's not what I should be using. I should be drawing from here. This is just all over the shop. This would require retracement down to 2034. That's no good. That's no good. And we can't use this one. No, can't use that one. It's not right. No good. No good. You know what? Put this down here and put this up here. And that's Coinbase as well. Seems that the XRP is not going to work either. The XRP level's all the way up there. Trading through value area low into this thin area. I suppose we could find buyers in this thin area. That's why I use limit orders. The thing with limit orders is it makes me feel like I'm standing in front of a train. Oh, look at this. Buyers are coming in. Let's go. How many contracts should I get? Ah, shit. Ah, my gosh. Is it going to be like 3 million? 3,000. 30. 300. Let's go 3 million. Let's go 3 million. Let's see. No, that's a lot of selling right there. Let's see. No. We need to see a new low here. Is that a rejection of higher prices? So we broke these lows. Buyers stepped in. And we're making new lows. No, don't like that. No, not a fan of that. That's not a great look, is it? That is not a great look. Actually, let's go over to gold. Golly, man. Ah, pain. Golly. Oh no, look at this, man. Back. Even the poor entry would have worked, but I didn't take the trade, which is a good thing. But even the poor entry would have worked. Golly. Oh, I suppose I could. No, we're not going to do that. We're not going to start trading the other side of the level. This is already played out. It's gone above value area high and seems like it wants to go retest value area low. But we're not using that profile anymore. But golly. Golly. Oh my word. That's okay. It would have been a bad winner. You don't want bad winners. Mate, I want winners. You know what? You know what? You are right. I shouldn't look at the world in a corrupt way and think all money is good money. There is such a thing as bad P&L. As crazy as it sounds. It's like a terrible job that pays well. Bad winners teach you it's okay to take poor entries. That is true. You're reinforcing bad behavior. Look at this. It's just look at that. It's rejected value area high and rotated all the way down to value area low from this profile. This is horrible. There's no point even looking at that. That's just too choppy. Look at that. Get that. Let's see. Silver. Rejected value area high as well. What was his profile? Oh, it was a short profile. Again. Missed the entry on that. Well, missed the entry. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. What are we doing here? Ethereum. Needed to go lower. XRP. Oh, we're already done with this. So we're gonna put an X in the box. Put an X in the box. Terrible. Oh, hold on. Maybe I'll be able to get a... Oh, cha. I'm drawing a rubbish X. Don't need to do that, mate. We've got a tool for that. There we are. There we go. Do me arts and crafts again. Your job as a trader isn't to make money, it's to follow instructions. Your instructions were to enter at that level, and the level was missed, so you don't take it. Copper. Let's see what the setup on copper was. I'm not sure about this. Would have been stopped out? Might have been stopped out. Might have been stopped out. So 27. So it needs 54. Don't think there's 54 here. I don't believe there's 50. $54 is all the way up there. We'll stick an alert out there. Let's see if it plays itself out. Does require a move through value area high that we've rejected somewhat, but we'll see. No. Oh, come on. Ethereum, what we doing? Oh, look at that. The volume was above it. Charlie. There was a volume. The volume's there. And we've come into the volume. We've come into the volume. Oh well. We've come into the volume. Oh well. Let's move on. If Ethereum doesn't go down and tag my target, I'm going to be very disappointed. If it doesn't go down. Oh, you're in a short. I'm waiting for a long and you're in a short. I guess we both can have something today. Ooh, I tell you what. Ethereum might be looking interesting for a short, actually. Ah, the volume's on one side. Don't like that. Not a fan of it when the volume's on one side. Not a fan. Let's see. No, that doesn't work. That doesn't work. Okay. So I was looking for a long. We're up 5.69%. Is Ethereum going to disappoint me? Well, actually, I should see what the... Oh, it's... I'll tell you what it is. So gold currently trading 5,036. 5,036 times value 100 equals, each contract has a notional value of 503,600, and I've been trading 120 contracts, which gives me $60 million. So 60,432,000. Golly, that's a that's a bit ridiculous, isn't it? So $60 million, 60,432,000. So if we divide that by, where's Ethereum trading? 2054. 2054. I would need to trade 29,421 Ethereum contracts to have the same exposure. Okay. So I need 29,500. Golly, Ethereum, man, what are we doing? It's come down to that volume point, man. Right above the level. Kick rocks, Ethereum. Yeah, enter short, and it tickled my target before running away. Mate, I'm on the other side waiting for it to come down for a long, and now it's gone all the other way, gone the other side. Can't believe I've been trading with that level of exposure. $60 million. Golly, talk about being ridiculous. Such an unbalanced profile. With the volume down at the bottom. The thing is, this profile only includes the data to the left of 1110. Doesn't even include this data right here. Oh, hold on. Looks like I may be about to get a short. So we've tested value area high, rejected it. Oh no, come on, don't give me a big candle. Don't give me a big candle. Let's not do that. Need a retracement to the upside here. Mr. Ethereum, if you don't go down, I'm going to tell Ma. Mate, it doesn't need to go down. It needs to retrace. That's what this Ethereum needs to do. So I can get an entry. Man. Golly. It needs to retrace. That's what it needs to do. Yeah, that's what we need. That's exactly what I need. Okay. Oh. Not enough funds. Oh, I can't take 29,000 contracts. Hold on, what am I trading? Oh, Bitstamp. Oh, fuck. Let's see. Ethereum. I said 29,000 contracts. Let's go with 15,000. Let's go with 14,000 contracts. 14,000 contracts. Ethereum. Not enough funds. Golly. Okay. Let's go with 10,000 contracts. Not enough funds. You know what? That's a sign. I'm going to leave it alone. It's a sign. No, we're about to go down. Mate, I'm trying to get this short in. How could I do this then? It's a sign. Me not being filled is a sign. I'll leave it alone. See, these entries are going to be better, but what could be the notional value? So I can't do 60 million. Let's think about this. If I did 5,000 contracts, let's see. Oh no, crypto leverage is 10 to 1. So my account is 700k. So I could do 7 million. Oh wow, I guess I can take it. Oh, I'm risking 5/8. So I'm essentially risking 6. Let's target 9. That's going to get stopped out. Yeah, that's going to get stopped out. Yeah, that's getting stopped out. Your leverage is set too low. I can get a maximum 500 leverage. I suppose it's a good thing that the leverage wasn't there, because that was a loser. That was a loser. The good thing about it is, yeah, I think I've set the leverage to 10 to 1 on cryptos on the old account. Oh my fucking life, it's come back and worked again. You know what? I need to be careful here and not get triggered. I really need to be careful. Look at this, come all the way down here and found buyers. Sons of guns, man. This is garbage. Not even look at that rubbish. Golly. And the short from value area high. That would have worked out. Disconnecting. Don't do that. Am I still live? I need to go check that out, whether I'm still live or not. I don't know if I'm still live. Hopefully the stream hasn't ended. Let's see. Complete amateur trading. Yes, looks like I'm still live. Let me change these charts to NG. Let's wait for the 15 seconds. It should change. Yep. Okay. Still live. I am still live. Well, chill. You're already 3 times your daily goal. You know what? I should be happy with my daily goal. I shouldn't be shiny car in this at the moment. I really should not be shiny car in it. You know what? Maybe the 10 to 1 leverage is a good thing on cryptos. It's not a market I'm familiar with, so especially in the learning stages. It's keeping the risk. What's the notional on this? The notional isn't that much. 2,000 times 2058. 2058. It's going to be 4 million. That's not bad. 4 million notional. Okay, we can do that. So we got 2,000 there. That's what we'll do for crypto. We'll just use 4 million of notional. Okay. Oh, come on. I'm going to go short again. And this thing better not mess me around. I will abruptly end this stream if this thing messes me around. Actually, no, I'm not going to do that now, am I? Oh, hold on. Why are the buyers still there? That's not a good sign. You know what? It means a better entry. That's what that means. So we're looking at about 11. It's about 11, isn't it? So we go 4 million notional. Where is this? 4M cryptos. Let's see. So we're risking 7,440. 11,160. Yep, perfect. Perfect. I didn't even... Old mental arithmetic hasn't failed me. What I need now. Oh, what we doing here? Huh. I guess crypto's gonna punch me in the face. Okay, let's go back to comments. Oh. Where are you now? Copy. XRP. Paste. Ooh. No, it's too late. You can't do that. You cannot think about a short. Sorry, a long. It's gone too much below. Although, let's see. The short has been invalidated. Ethereum. Come on, Ethereum. You know you want to go down. Is this Coinbase? Yes, it is. Paste 4 million in crypto assets. That's what we're doing. 4 million. What are we doing? Let's see. This is horrible. Well, we've come through value area low into this consolidation area right here. And we found buyers. Sure. I guess Ethereum's going to punch me in the face again. Ethereum's going to punch me in the face again. Look at the volume coming in. Yeah. After not getting down to the long level, it's going to get me. The joys of trading. I suppose cumulatively it's only going to be about 13. It's not a huge amount of the top line P&L. Building a bit of a drawdown. We'll wait and see. We saw last time on what was it, gold. We held a position and in a flash our target was hit. Don't think that's going to be the same here, but this is just choppy. It's not great looking. It's not great. That's not great looking either. That's not great. Seems these markets are just chopping around. Crypto market up today. BTC, Ethereum, XRP, Solana is up. Inflation cools. Building a base. Sons of guns, man. Suppose we can only have 2 tries at a level. I haven't been using the old footprints. Suppose it doesn't matter now. Ooh, there's a lot of contracts up there. We'll see. Oh, come on, ETH. I need you to dump like 100,000 contracts, man. Where are you, ETH? Oh, I've had an alert just trigger. Is it the copper? No. Here we go. Gonna get stopped out. Yep, stopped out. Oh, crypto. NQ. Oh no, we're not even looking at that. Yeah, we're not using that. Where's our copper trade? Oh, we're about to hit our target here on copper. Come on, copper. Didn't take the trade, but we speculated. 580.90. We're currently 580.85, so we're currently about 5 away. Come on, copper. And that was based on a long through here. Down just around the value area low. Going the other side of value area high. Let's not mess around, copper. So there is a risk with this trade because our target is through value area high. So there is that risk. It's not quite higher day. We've been higher today so far. Yeah, of course. As soon as I start watching it, it goes down. These markets, I tell you. I start watching the market turns around and plays peekaboo. XRP. We've already said there's no setup short there on XRP. The old Litecoin. Ooh, let's see. Let's see what we can do here on the old Litecoin. It'll be right there. Oh, hold on. How many contracts would I have to take? 4 million notional. For 100,000 divided by 55. 70. Huh? 74,000. Really? It looks like it. Let's see. 74,000. Let's see. Where are you now? Well, we're seeing crypto buying across the board, so maybe now is not the time to be looking at shorts. Although, actually, let's measure it out. So it would have been there up to the highs and down to the lows. So we need what? So that's 8. So we need 12. Let's make it 14. Oh, just had another. Let's see if we can get down to the 54.90s here on the old Litecoin. Had an alert. Of course, copper gets to target. Copper gets to target. Certainly validating the old strat. I need this to just go all the way up now, because if this comes back inside, it's going to annoy me. There's going to be no trade there, but it's going to be super annoying to see. Let's go number 1, silver. Gonna retest gold. Golly. Oh my gosh. Golly, look at gold. Talk about respecting a level. Jeez Louise. Oh well, such is life. What was the instrument we were just looking at? Litecoin. Yeah, this joker's building. Such a thin thing anyway. 74,000 contracts. What sort of sicko would do that? 74,000 contracts, and the total volume of the day is 90,000. That's crazy. So we ran up there, we got rejected. I don't want to end the stream on a bad note, but if nothing sets up, then nothing sets up. Don't want to force a trade. What is going on? No, that's garbage. Let's see, XRP. Am I up? 317. Was that 30% on the day? Oh, goodness me. What in the world? The power of trading. It's not even an instrument I trade. Oh, nope. That's wrong. That is wrong. So it need to go lower. Oh, I think this one was a setup, wasn't it? Yeah, there it was, right there. Value area low. See, this would have been a loser. This right here. This would have been a winner. %6. Big crypto day. Hold on, where are we? Oh, we're almost up to 70,000 on the old Bitcoin. I'm gonna step away for a little bit. Let's see. Going for new highs on the day, it seems. Oh my God. It was gone long in the old what's it called? Gold. 64,800. There we go. So we've got to navigate the point of control, which could be problematic for us. This could, of course, lower high, go down, stop me out. So it's also still a possibility. Got quite a bit of volume here. Well, we're about to test the point of control. It seems like we could test it, dump and get stopped out. Plus we've got this volume all the way up to 48.3 with a target all the way up at 49.6. So 49.6 in and around where this value area high is over here to the left. Zero guarantees of success. It's a fairly aggressive entry. It's a fairly aggressive setup, so there is a possibility of the lower high fail. The market deciding that lower prices are in order. So we'll see. We will certainly see. We will certainly see. Is that lower high rejection for the full retracement back down to the level? We've tested the value area off. We've just had another, what was that? Litecoin. Litecoin hitting the target. Okay. Which is, yep, went and hit the target to the downside. Should be bad news for gold. It should be bad news. The fact that buyers couldn't hold us to account. What's this going to be? 3 losses in a row? Market's going to prove ETH right. Should have. You're already up 3 times your daily goal. And yet here you are. Here you are. Still trying to scrape the barrel. Trying to scrape the barrel. And pick up pennies in front of a steamroller. May serve me right. Oh, come on, man. What the hell is this? I don't seem to have a stream without we're getting a black screen. No, this is going down. No, rejected our value area high. The retracements just seem very phony. See, the retracements just seem very phony. As if the market is just giving opportunity to get out before it comes down and takes out the lows. Don't seem like the retracements are suggesting move to the upside. It's good to see the Litecoin trade work itself out though. I suppose I could leave here. I'm going to be stopped out eventually. Okay, so... Ooh, hold on. Oh my word. Bro. What are you doing? Oh, no, we couldn't take it because of how low the value area high was, so... Couldn't have took that trade. Sure, this joker's come back inside. I certainly cannot take that. Certainly. Oh, nope, that's done wrong. Let's see. Oh, we're looking for longs. We're looking for longs. Let's see. Let's see. I'm not a fan of the point of control being high. Not a fan. Doesn't really suggest. Yeah, well, let's go. So this comes down to there. And then this goes up to 90.40. I guess it's going to have to be 90.80. Be the stop time gold, yeah. Well, buyers came back in. Why not? What is that? 63.5. Let's put this 63. Okay, let's. No. It's rejecting it. Golly, both crypto and comms are trading together. I wonder if it's a US dollar play. Gonna be stopped out on both. Stopped out on Ethereum. I'm still up 312. Well, not anymore. Not anymore. Stopped out. Hmm. Oh, you're joking. What are we doing? Ah. Hmm. Hold on, let's see. Stop loss? What do you mean stop loss? Oh, ugh. Mm. Oh my God. What was that? Gold crossing 46.7. Gold crossing 46.7. Seems like I'm not going to get a single crypto win today. So we've run into this point in control. So there is the risk of this turning around and coming down and getting my stop. Let's go put this the other side of, hold on. We're going to put an alert out there, other side of value. And we're going to put an alert up at value area. Oh, fuck. Stop loss executed. No crypto wins today. Guess I'm not seeing crypto correctly. And this is coming back as well. No crypto win today. This is probably going to come down as well. Yep. Ran into point of control and came all the way down. Just chopping around. Hold on. Did I? times. Should have targeted 82 halves. Okay, 68 fours. Wow, so we got to target there on gold. Wow. So just a couple of stop pass before getting to target. Oh my word. Ah, 46. Golly, I let that influence me there. Certainly let that influence me. Let's take the trade as it is. Ah, that's going to be stopped out. There's a lot of buying there. Now let's take it off. $271. Lost 21. Lost 6, so that's like 27. In order to save 35. So if we get up to here, then we would have saved ourselves 8. Oh my, what's this? Ah, value area high. Yep, so we saved ourselves 8. And new highs on the day. Silver is rejecting value area high. I don't like the fact that we've got volume all the way up at the value area high. See, this suggests that we could take could be a really aggressive long. Seems to be quite a fair amount of volume around this value area high. Keep going above it. Rejected, rejected, getting rejected again. I haven't heard from Eve in a while. Hopefully he's okay. Golly. Rejection value area high. Oh. Ah, it's just flipping huge, isn't it? It is huge. Oh, golly. Huh. Oh, goodness me. Looks like an immediate stop out. Yep. Came down to point of control and that's it. Oh, well. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Let's see. Probably say it's close enough. It's just going to be stopped out. Stop loss issued on NQ. Okay. Guess we're going higher. Oh, hold on. Hold on a second here. Let's see. Golly. Oh, no. Missed it, missed it, missed it, missed it, missed it. Missed it. Choice. Huh? Hold on. Oh, hold on. 49.7. 49.7. So we're still rejecting the value area high. Ah. I don't even trust that bullshit. Golly. Mm-mm-mm. It's just so choppy, man. It's so choppy. It's just so choppy. Golly. And this is just going the other way. Rejecting the value area highs. Oh, stopped out. Stopped out. Greed, greed, greed. Greed. Look at this choppy stuff around here. Oh, golly. Oh, hold on. Oh, you son of a gun. Ha. Oh, goodness me. You know what? All of these don't matter. All of these don't matter. All that matters is a target. Run through the target, just not being filled. Through the target, just not being filled. Great. Great. So we got as high as 58.9, not being filled. Oh, why is it not 60 cut? Okay. So we broke the higher day. Imagine there might have been some take profits up there, up 2% on the day. Oh my word. The joy, joy, joy. Whatever you do, don't quit the day job. Buyers have abandoned the market. What's it going to do reverse? Well, I think the most damage is going to be done on silver, so we'll keep the silver chart up. What is with this chart? And I'm back, and what we did see was from the long, price did get to that 78,265. Wasn't triggered 3 times. We got through the level because of the spread, and price has come back. Well, I suppose the amount of contracts I was trading, price has come back and stopped me out. So at that point, I think I was over a mil. At one point, I was over 300 on the day. ETH did suggest stop trading for the day and to be happy. Kept trading. Ended up giving it all back and will be ending the day negative. Will be ending the day negative. There aren't any more opportunities now. So I'm just going to call it there. Thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.